Hola, ¿cómo está? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's like me a bit of Spanish there, do you? I'm gonna start learning Spanish. I should be, I'm here that long. Anyway guys, yeah, so here we are, still in Playa de Ingles. And we're down in sort of the main sort of thoroughfare square in Maspalomas Beach. And what we'll do today is that we'll just go for a wander around just this main square area, take a look at the beach. Yeah, take a look at some of the bars and restaurants. We'll have a little dawdle around an XO2. And yeah, sure, we'll see what else we take in. Alright? But alright guys, without holding you up, let's go. Beautiful sunny day here in Canary. And all I can say is, welcome to paradise. Perfect weather here. So what you can hear, that music is probably copyrighted. There's there's a bar over here called the Mojito. It's a cool bar. I've been here several times. So it's known for its smoothies and cocktails and stuff like that. And you got a table there full of beers, so it has everything. Dirty. But it's really good to see. The beach out here now is absolutely beautiful. Hey, check this out. You got more copyright music playing there, so yeah. Look at this guy. It's another video sacrificed to copyright. But I'm not joking here, right? I was only here less than 10 minutes ago, and this beach was absolutely blown a gale. It was like, wow, such a difference in 10 minutes. Like the visibility was pretty poor when I was only here. It was only 10 minutes ago, like. But yeah, we'll continue. We'll get around. We'll have a look. So you got 31 degrees at nearly 5 o'clock. I'll have that, thank you. So you got a nice pizzeria up there. It is nice. And this one here right in front of us, the Tribal Lounge. This is really good. They have really good DJ sets going on here, but maybe it's just a bit too early at the moment. But yeah, it's DJ normally sits in there. Cool speakers there.
Hello, excuse me.
Hola.
Want to drink something? Maybe some?
Maybe later.
You're later, welcome. Have a lovely day, sir.
Thank you. Adios. So if you haven't been around here in XO2, there is all these little laneways off it, and they're all sort of interconnected in a square, but what we'll do is we'll get around most of them. That cool looking bar. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. You just don't know these little places are here until you actually walk around and discover them. You got your beach towels there, €5. That's not too bad. A selection of hats that look like they're about €5 each as well. You got more shops here. Everything seems to be about €5. €10 dresses, €5. Some traditional flip-flops. I like the souvenirs that has the Grand Canary on it. Let's see, can I get a closer look at them? So it has the Grand Canary, like little registration plates, about €4. Got nice sunglasses here as well. Oh, I like these. They're the Cristiano Ronaldo. Wonder how much these are. €16. I suppose a bit of a collector's item, really. There's a German menu. Oh, that's Spanish omelette. Oh, this is Coco's. This is really good, this bar. But during the night now, all that there, that's all opened. And there's been pretty kicking around here. Right, so this is Munich 3. I assume there's a Munich 2 and a Munich 1 somewhere. Let's see, is there an English menu there? Oh yeah, here we go, English menu. So what we got? We got garlic bread up here. I'm going to turn this camera on. Garlic bread up here is €2.50. And soups, onion soup, €6.80. Meat, chicken nuggets for the children. Chicken nuggets is here. It's €10.50. All right, so I want a steak. Where is the steak? Beef steak, grilled steak. That's €16. That's not too bad. Obviously, it has it in French and Spanish and German, Italian. There's still not very many activity in the water. Like there's a jet ski over there. I remember the other day I was walking around here and there was nothing. There's nothing in the water at all. Looks like there's a bit of a volleyball game on here, look at. So this area, if you are sort of directed towards where the volleyball is played, I'm pretty sure that this is where people would be talking about. This area here is pretty commonly known for its volleyball. But yeah, we'll continue to get around. Got nice ice cream there. Little mini marts. You can get some cold drinks, ice creams and that. Pharmacia. So you got some jewellery along here. It's pretty nice. Nice. San Mateo. All your swimming needs. So these beach towels here is one for nearly €6 or two for 10. So Coco's part, remember I showed you just there about 2 minutes ago? Well, that's the beach side of it. This is the in part, inside in XO2. How do you do sandwiches and hamburgers? Beef burger with cheese, €6.50. Wow, that's pretty good. Got your massage. And then looking into Coco's. Got your 2 pool tables there. Do you do traditional Spanish dancing in there? I know they do lessons as well, so if you are interested in the whole Spanish dancing and stuff like that, they do. Coco's on the beach here, they do Spanish dancing lessons. But, alright, so you got some tattoos and stuff here. Souvenir shop. So you got some souvenirs here again. More personal, I suppose. You can get them all engraved. You can see here, look at it, you can buy one of these, let's say, plaques and get it engraved. So there's one of those little laneways. We were just literally standing out there a minute ago looking up at this. I like this. Look at the little plates. I wonder how much these are. They're really nice. Price on the back of them there, I can't really see. That's €2. These are really nice. They're lovely. Any more on your side? Small sort of key rings and that. Yeah, I will be buying a couple of these now. I love these. See these little sort of like American design sort of registration plates. I have a place at home in my studio where I'm going to be putting them. I'll come back down and probably buy a couple of them. No, gracias. So we're back out here in the square. Bar Mojito seems to be the place to be. Pretty going off over there. And I think in a previous video I couldn't pronounce this. That's Amore. I think it was like, that's Amren or something like that, but that's Amore. Apologies for my mispronunciation. So yeah, I'll say you get some really nice ice cream in there. It used to be called Chow Chow's a couple of years ago. And it closed down and reopened as That's Amore. But it looks like you can get some burgers and chicken and stuff like that, pasta and pizza. I'm sure it's pretty nice. you got your chemist. I'm sure you look if you're looking for sunscreens or painkillers and aloe vera stuff.
Well, thank you.
So it's all interconnected, alright? So, you know where you are? I was just there a minute ago and I was just on the other side of that about a minute before that. So you got your fashion, clothes and that. And more souvenirs. The fridge magnets. Little cactus. Boomerangs again. Seen boomerangs on another store there. I like these glasses actually. These are nice. What price are they? Yeah, they're nice. Oh, I like these. These are really nice. What are they? Oh, they're just postcards. I suppose you could put a few of them in a frame and have it as a collage. And then these towels here are €5 each. And more souvenir shops. Little skibbity bar. Yeah, that Chow Chow's name up there. I'm just pretty sure that's an old sign. And there's the volleyball again. So I hope you sort of followed how I sort of got around there. It's just like a square, really. I never played volleyball. Never even made an attempt at it. Anybody watching at the moment played volleyball before? Well guys, it's another walk around Paradise here in Gran Canaria. Playa de Ingles and Mas Palomas. Guys, if you have any areas that you want us to try and walk, just ask us in the comments. We'll be only happy to try and get around everywhere. And obviously you're the audience, you know, we want to keep you happy, we want to keep you coming back and watching. So if there is anything out there that you want us to walk across or try or anything like that, yeah, sing out in the comments. But it is amazing, this place. Absolutely love it. But yeah, we walk around here for hours and hours and hours a day, just recording videos, making videos, because it's something that we love doing. But yeah guys, if you are new to the channel, you are very welcome. But if you are new, you have a lot to catch up on. So please, subscribe, and jump on board. And yeah, don't forget next video should be up around the whole Mozart area. I don't know whether it'll be me doing it or James or Louis for that matter. But yeah, until next time guys, adios, slán, peace.